Home Remedies presents Supernatural Kidney Cleanse. Flush out toxins from your body. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon and good evening to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I am Rabia and today's video, like always, is not gonna be amazing, but instead it will be delicious and nutritious because I will reveal the recipe of a healthy drink today that will help cleanse your kidneys. And yes, watch the video till the end to get full information. So without any more wait, let's start. Kidneys are an important organ of our body, responsible for clearing waste from our body. They filter about 200 liters blood daily to get rid of all harmful toxins in our body consumed through food. They are a sort of defensive processing mechanism which remove waste products and extra fluid and flush them from your body as urine. Toxic material built up in the body might result in kidney or urinary tract and bladder diseases. Talking about food items, the kidneys have the most threat from animal protein, genetically modified food, salt, carbonated drinks, artificial sweeteners, dairy products, caffeine and cigarettes. When your kidneys don't work right, wastes build up in your blood and make you sick. If you want your kidneys to function proficiently and clean up your body from all the harmful substances, then you have to try this healthy and nutritious drink I have added for you today. Ingredients: half a lemon or lime, cleaned, 1 banana, half bunch fresh parsley, 1 kiwi peeled, 1/4 cup walnuts, 1 cup water. Preparation: blend all the ingredients, add water and keep blending until you get nice and smooth texture. Extra tip: if you want to enhance the nutritional profile of this drink, you can add half of cleaned avocado and a handful of fresh spinach or kale. You can have this drink once in a week. Enjoy! If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.